how to change text to speech rate on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on TalkBack. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on text to speech. And from here, you can change the speech rate of your text to speech engine by dragging on the slider bar to the left to slow it down, or to increase the speech rate, you move the slider bar to the right for faster.
Đây là ví dụ của tiếng nói. Đây là ví dụ của tiếng nói.
And there it is. So here we change the language and play.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
You can tap on the reset button to set it back to the default settings.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.